We all talk about investing in real estate and owning properties that grows in value over time. But here's the truth. Our bills remains unattended to. And that's what brings to you Hampton Residence, located in Akoka Yaba, Lagos. A prime location with high demand for rentals and strong potentials for property value growth. This property balances lifestyle and high-yield investments, and it has basic amenities like modern finishing, spacious units, and secured environments with private gym and swimming pool. Everything adds to the property's long-term value. A place like this attracts tourists, travelers, shoplets, and corporate tenants. Every smart and successful investor invests on properties that gives high steady cash flow income today and value appreciation tomorrow. And that's how you build wealth over time. At Hampton's Residence, every unit is managed and serviced for you. Selling at the price of 44 million naira and 48 million naira, you get the unfurnished and furnished studio apartments and earn annual income of 3 million naira, while selling at the price of 63 million naira and 70 million naira. You get the unfurnished and furnished one-bedroom apartment and earn annual income of 6 million naira. And yes, flexible payment options are available. Secure yours now. No pressure, no stress. I'll walk you through the numbers, the opportunity, and exactly how this investment works for you. For more inquiries on cash flow investments like this, call the number on your screen. Let's make your dream come true.